Good morning, students. How are you all? So, after an interval of time, we are here to discuss the new chapter of the novel Mowgli, Class 5th. Mowgli took his knife and started to remove Sher Khan's skin. Just then, the chief hunter from the village came shouting for the boy to leave. He wanted to take skin for himself. Akela, the man is running me. In a moment, the hunter found himself on the ground with Akela on the top of him. The old grey wolf showed his teeth and growled. Go and don't bother me again. Akela let him go. The hunter ran terrified back to the village, telling everyone that Mowgli was a magic boy who could talk to the wolf. So when Mowgli returned to the village, the people threw stones and shouted at him. Wolf's child, go back to your jungle. Not again. Last time they sent me away from the jungle because I was man. Now you are sending me again to the jungle because I can talk and I can understand the wolf. Much later that night, Mowgli and the two wolves stopped at the mother's wolf cave on their way to Council Rock. They made me leave the man's pack. But I came with the coat of Sher Khan. I kept my word. Mother Wolf's eyes shone brightly. They heard another deep voice from the tall grass. Bagheera came running to Mowgli's feet. Well done, little brother. We are lonely in the jungle without you. They all climbed up to the council rock together. The pack still had no leader. But the wolves came, all that were left of them. The next day Mowgli was in the cave with his family, Balu and Bagheera. The animals were pleased to have him back. I never want to see, hear, smell a man again. Suddenly the animals stood still. Don't worry, little brother, we will kill them before night came. They followed Mowgli into the trees. As they came near the men, staying quietly behind the trees. He is a wolf's child. He stole the tiger's skin from me. We must find him and kill him. His parents, Mesua and her husband. Mowgli was afraid for only the people he cared about in the village. He knew that he had to help them. Mother Wolf followed. She wanted to see Mowgli's other mother. Students, as you can able to see the picture, it was dark, but Mowgli quickly found Meswa's hut. When he looked inside and saw them tied up, he felt angry in a way that he did not understand. Who did this to you? Someone must pay. The villagers, they are afraid of you. We must die because we are your parents. The village was quiet because everyone was afraid and they were locked up in their houses. He decided to help Mesua and her husband get through the jungle to a safe place. They listened to their plan. Don't be afraid if you hear strange noises in the jungle. Nothing will harm you. I promise. I believe you, my son. Mesua cried softly. Mowgli and the four brothers stayed behind to make sure that no man from village followed. The next morning, Mother Wolf sent Chil the eagle with a message. Mesua and her husband were safe in the village. Mowgli, however, was still angry with the villagers because of what they did to Mesua and her husband. He hated them all and wanted to punish them. Only Hathi, the elephant, could help him. Mowgli found the elephants coming out of the river. He spoke respectfully and explained to the great creature how much he and Mesua suffered because of the villagers. Hathi, the leader of the elephants, I came to help you. Make these bad pupils leave the jungle. Mowgli did not want any of the pupils killed. He only wanted the elephants to make them leave. He did not understand all that he was feeling, but Hathi and his herd knew how evil man could be. The elephants didn't hurry, they had a plan. They circled the village and within a week they ate all the vegetables in the field. Then they freed the bulls and cows. Now the villagers had no food, still they stayed. But when the elephants crushed the fences under their huge feet and pulled out the roofs from the huts, the villagers ran away in terror. In few months, the rain came and washed away everything. By the end of the rainy season, the village was gone. Man was gone. This was the story of the chapter 7, Rescuing Mesua, how the Mowgli helped to save the life of Mesua and her husband. Students, I hope you all understand the story of this chapter. Now please read the chapter thoroughly and try to find the meaning and the back exercises. Thank you.